definitely know my purpose is to bring joy and laughter and light into our art form.
Alizé Jenkins, Administrative Assistant. The next Lieutenant Governor of our great state, Mississippi.
I think there's so many stories that need to be told and will continue to need to be told. And everybody finds their lane in their way of telling that story. And I just feel like, especially us as Black people, we have so much drama and trauma that we've experienced since the beginning of time, and telling those stories definitely need to go out. But it gets exhausting to hear them and feel them in that way. So my purpose is to tell those stories and those messages in ways that make you laugh, in ways that can bring you some joy while you think and learn about our history or a certain story or experiences. I want to make you laugh while you're entertained in our learning. Hi, I am Terri J. Vaughn, and I am here at ABFF Atlanta Pop-Up, and so excited. So I love and just really honor what Jeff and Nicole have done throughout the years with ABFF. Without them, I think so many voices would never be heard, so many faces would never be seen. So it matters so much. It matters for us as a community just of Black folk to know that we are seen, that we are valued. And then it's also important that we are able to get our stories out, stories that really matter to us, stories that speak to us in the way that we speak to each other, because there's a difference. So I think all of that is important, and I'm so thankful that we do have the platform of ABFF, and I am always here to support it.
Perfect. So actor, director, producer, you know what the grind looks like, especially as a Black woman. What words of encouragement can you share with the next generation?
Words of encouragement that I could give to creatives that are coming up behind me is really the only way to win is to keep going. It is a tough business. Things are not easy. It's a lot of hard work. But if this is your love and this is your passion and this is your purpose, which you do have to find your purpose in this, that's the motivation to keep going. Because if you stop, then that message of you will never be heard. And I think we actually owe it not just to ourselves as artists, but we owe it to the world to get our messages out, because there's only one of us. There's only one of you, there's only one of me. And if I don't get my message out in the way that I see it, the way that I say it, the way that I feel it, that will never go out into the world, ever. And so I just feel like as artists, we have a responsibility to keep moving forward. And yes, it is not easy, but you have to trust that God put it in you for a reason. He never said it was going to be easy, but trust that burning fire, whatever that message is inside of you that you just can't keep silent. It is your duty to keep going in the midst of it all. And, pray. Pray.
And I'm so glad you said something about purpose,
Yeah.
which is so important in
Yeah.
this industry. Prospectively, can you speak